Gizzle Rollin.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Gizzle State.
Wine, YouTube, what's Zam with it? Your boy had to, you know what I'm saying, put that shit on today, you know what I'm talking about? That boy Will say, man, look, bitch, check this out. We gonna do the Gentleman's Day for the car show Saturday, man. Lil B show today, man. Nigga told me, that bitch Will say, man, look, bro, we gonna get them fresh cuts. We gonna put that shit on. We gonna have our cigars, and we gonna be on some player shit, you hear me? So that's what we doing today. Got that shit on, man, little slight shit, you know what I'm talking about? Got them dreads hit, got them fresh details by B, you know what I'm talking about? Goddamn, but, you know what I'm saying? 2.0 filthy as hell, goddamn. Watched the motherfucker for homecoming yesterday, and guess what? The bitch got dusted. I don't know how, I ain't even driving like that, but anyway, we finna head to Baker, Louisiana today. Lil B car show, cruising to Baker. You know what I'm talking about, goddamn. They talking shit with the trunk walls too. I just hope me with this shit on, I don't burn the fuck up today, but we outside, bitch. So let me go ahead and hit up Clee, see what Clee got going on once again. Will ugly ass ain't to answer the fucking phone. God damn it, we gonna see what the deal is. He might pick up when I get on the fucking road, but gotta make sure. Gotta put that bitch bike. Gotta put that bitch bike, goddamn. Got to put that bitch back, you hear me?
Boy, if you don't get...
Nah, look, where we at today?
Where this motherfucking car show, you heard it? Shit, it's real, this bitch. Y'all come from Woodville and come and throw down this motherfucker.
Man, look, man, they know what the fuck it is,
shit,
man.
Woodville, we always live in this bitch.
Man, that woo in that bitch,
shit,
you hear me?
we always live in this bitch.
I had to come slide on my dog B today. He told me, Gizzle, you better be there. So I'm here, goddamn. I'm here, goddamn.
You here?
I'm here.
All right.
This gonna be the best show in the rack?
Shit, is it? Shit, it's always live. It's my second time here with my brother. Believe that?
Yeah.
And my sister, you believe that? Shit, y'all better know who y'all fucking when y'all come down here.
Yeah.
Shit, believe that?
Talk your shit. Talk your shit.
Yeah, you already know I'm coming straight out of Woodville, Mississippi, West Side for the motherfucking life. You see, best seat. I got third place. I ain't even got my shit all the way right, but I'm still gonna come through. Don't fuck with me, bitch.
Yeah. You know how you come. You know what the fuck the deal is.
Catch a pussy nigga, we don't slang ass. The nigga go back in.
Hold up, wait. Come on, so we presidential.
Come get it back.
So we presidential. So we presidential.
Come on, nigga, watch the news.
So we presidential.
Nigga, watch the news.
Hold that, bro. Watch this. Hold that. So look, we presidential.
This motherfucker here ain't just no fan, man.
Okay, we presidential
And you
right now.
got
I'm so hot. Okay. So what we doing in here, B? Why are we in here right now? For to see what?
WBRZ.
So
Dollar brick. We want to see what the weather is.
So we in the Tesla truck right now. So they had D's and V's on this bitch, but they swapped them out.
What's the name of that Tesla truck that just came out?
The Cyber truck.
It's the Cyber van. Tesla don't want to buy this one.
Okay, let me see something. They said we can watch WAFB right here at Lil B Car Show. You gotta tell the people too why you ain't battling today now. Cause you know,
I entertained the kid yesterday.
Okay.
Coming through the parade, I bust my gas tank. You know,
Okay.
then I put everything in my car. Brand new Thursday night at 1 o'clock in the morning, Friday morning.
Yeah.
And it's not broken.
So that's why y'all won't see the Monty battle today. But Steve battling today. Steve getting it in today.
Yeah, right. We getting it down today, baby. It's up.
Steve getting it in today, goddammit. Hold on. Uh-oh.
Look, man. Look, TV.
Okay, so y'all see we got the news going on in the fucking van. Why are we at the show? Let me see, boom. They got the fucking news going on. Why are we at the show, man?
Crime.
Come on, say what me.
Crime scenes and shit. You understand?
We know what's going on in Bankstown right now.
Right now.
We know what's going on, goddammit.
Crime scenes.
We
and
know
shit.
what the fuck going on, man. We in the cyber van. And the AC blowing cold. But they want to know too, George. You still putting that plastic on or?
Shit, no, we buying abortion pills. Tell JJ close that trunk. JJ close that trunk.
We're faster
Close
than
the
you
trunk, boy.
Look, we see the bass knob. Ratchet. We got the Mississippi boys. Thought I was cutting for us. Oh, what's up, man?
Hey, I ain't gonna sit there on white trunk. I don't want to get fucked up, but what's up, man? Gizzle Rollin and Cutting for us, we rocking, dog.
Yes, sir.
Hey, we holding down Mississippi to Baton Rouge. You know what it is?
Yes, sir.
A little different. All this nice shit out here, we couldn't go.
See how that whoop coming up?
Yeah, we had to do a little something different. It's a lot of different shit out here.
The whoop, that whoop, goddamn, that whoop.
This shit.
How many? Future. Hey, look, check this out. We doing transportation.
Fuck out here, need a ride. Y'all just call them.
Y'all heard that, man. Look.
Ain't no sense in getting a DWI. I'm a good ass designated driver. How?
The air blow code, we gonna be riding and stop. And hey, we
got a television.
And we got a television. You can watch the news while you going home.
Yeah.
God damn it.
JJ, I ain't say that. I ain't say nothing, bro. I ain't say that. We together. We all together because we all we got. We can't buy the rest of these niggas. They bring a fan base, so we got to roll together. So you know, if a nigga. NWA Trusty, baby. I finally got this one. Yeah.
You battling today. I heard a nigga want your head so bad.
Steve want my head, but he ain't
I
got it.
heard a nigga want your head so bad.
Ain't nobody got enough for my dog. Tell him how old he is. Hey, I'm
Say what,
17.
Bobby?
17 on their ass.
Look. Man, they told me a nigga want your head so bad out here today, man.
Shit, tell him back that
They
they
say
got
they want
enough.
your fucking head, man.
Ain't nobody out here got enough. Anybody
So
can
you
get it right
saying
now.
Steve ain't ready?
Steve ain't ready.
Fuck no.
So you
Steve ain't
saying
ready.
he got a new setup in there now?
Shit, tell him what Steve got.
Huh?
I don't care what Steve got. He ain't got enough. He ain't got enough.
Tell her he ain't got enough.
Yo, man.
And I got money on that bitch right now.
Say what, Bobby?
I got some money on that bitch.
Tell him what that bitch got worked in. That bitch ain't go to L.
What we got today?
Wait, no, who else?
Come on.
Anybody?
See, Dante never scared. He don't give a fuck who you is.
And I just fucked that bitch up. But come on.
Come on.
Today.
Hey, look. But you still want a nigga head though.
Yeah. I got the colors on the way.
Look, we still good. I got the colors on the way. Look, put the camera on yourself. Look.
Yeah, I'm the recorder today. Tune in later on for the vlog. I ain't just started doing this shit yesterday.
Look. Jarvis say the cut is on the way.
Yeah, it's on the way.
Ernest say the cut is on the way. So Steve and Jarvis gonna hold the woo down today.
They gotta go do the white bitch. Get to that red bitch. I ain't lying.
It's steps to this shit, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? You can't just come in and say they want that red bitch. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get rid of him first.
Man, I'm on me. I was there.
They fucked over my dog at Lowe's show. And I'ma just let them know that. They fucked over my dog at Lowe's
Like
show.
a dog.
Tell him. So come to a real show
Yeah.
and put it on his ass.
Yeah.
You know what I'm waiting for?
I done heard you battle 2-3 times. I ain't gonna lie. Bitch, you got it in there. I need to see you today though. What man?
He going back to Mississippi with
Man,
I got $200 cash.
huh?
You 200.
I got that chain though.
Cause you snatched
got
it,
that
y'all took it from the man in glass. I put a little car on a big car. Y'all didn't beat me.
Personal
And
problem.
then Kane
That's a personal problem.
and your dad is best friend.
Kane and you best friends. In the green colors.
But
But-
Kane gonna pick hard head over me. You know that.
The other nigga, I don't even know. He team silent. I don't even know him.
Realist, right?
Uh-oh.
He the realest.
That one him. Okay. That one him.
No, it
He
wasn't.
was there.
He was louder than you that day.
He was
What
there.
you mean?
You won the first song, and after that, it wasn't close.
He with me.
He a blow before he go. No,
Five
man.
goals.
That's why I like this young. That's why I like this young. I
What
like
you
it.
say? Steve, you don't scare me.
That's why I like this fucking youngster, dog.
Hey Steve, hold up, Steve. Look, this nigga right here say he'll blow before you beat him.
Well, it's on. Hey, just put the chain up, man. Get my I don't put the chain. You ain't gotta put my diamond money.
Straight up like that.
The chain.
Straight up like that.
Chain and bragging right.
Straight up like that.
Bust it, baby, bust. Look back when you fuck me. Fly you out the country. Good coat. Look at the dive in it. Yeah. Hard times.
Hey, you ain't hard hat. Hey, what's this?
You gotta break it. It ain't even up. Hey, go get it. But it's funny. Go get it and bring your chain.
That's all you got. You ain't got to go. You ain't got to.
I got cash money for your motherfucking chain. I can't. Go get it. Let me show you something.
Better be on the lookout for that bitch next to him. That bitch coming. That be like a new movie. That bitch coming soon.
They love to show off for your camera, huh? Niggas that ain't loud. They love to show off for your camera. Keep it real, man. Keep it real. Niggas know they ain't loud, man.
That bitch like a new movie. That bitch coming soon.
Come on, man.
Put that bitch on.
That bitch clean too. That bitch clean too.
Make sure they remember. Make sure y'all remember that bitch.
Bet. That's
Make sure you remember that bitch. That's all I'm
That's
saying.
That's a bet.
Get hot. I know. He trying to let you get hot. He want to see everything you got before he bag over you. He want.
He ain't got no votes.
What you say?
Ain't my fault he ain't got no votes.
Don't even cut it back on. He want to wait till you get hot. Then he gonna bag over here. Hey man. And then they gonna be ready to play 40 fucking songs. So don't even do it. Just wait.
So when you gonna back up, hard head?
That's all you had.
Head, when you gonna back up?
When the trunk war
All
started.
you gotta do is put your car in your chain.
Where it be at? He
Cash
said,
money.
where it be at? Where be at?
Look like it's starting now.
He said, hey, truck war starting right now.
Starting
goddamn.
right now.
Tell B, go and come over here.
I'm gonna point at your mother.
Hey. If you want a pressure car,
You got your ass toe up. Tell Joe bring the motherfucker cut out here. He ain't got enough neither.
ain't nobody got enough till you bag that cream motherfucker over here. Hey, let's go spot right there. Bag it right there. Bag it right there.
Man, head,
I'm
go
gonna
get
use
the
this.
car
I'm
so we
gonna
can go
use
and sell this shit right now.
I'm cleaner and I'm louder. I'm cleaner and I'm louder. Facts. That's two facts. I'm cleaner and I'm louder.
Hey,
I'm cleaner and I'm
my
louder.
mouth can say anything. Action.
Man, head, go bring that bitch over here.
They gonna finally be. I'll be right back.
With
Bro,
the
you
baby.
gotta come to Florida Classic with me, man.
Where you put it in?
The week before Thanksgiving, man. I gotta
Man,
everything.
bruh, don't tempt me. Don't tempt me, bro. I will slide to Florida Classic with you. Don't tempt me now. Don't tempt me. Y'all hearing it. I will slide to the Florida Classic. What he finna show me? Look, I ain't gonna show y'all that, but hey, look, yeah. Okay, it's official. I see it now. It's official. Look, hey.
12-9, yeah, she know I got this seconds by the bitch.
Dig him. Put him up. Put him up. 2 times.
Even niggas still over acting like they hungry. Even niggas think you trying to shake with all this earth. Like the sun with all that count, I heard you say something on my color. Bitch, shut your mouth, you better say it now, no. I love it when the bitch double back up on the frame. Said she loved it so much she had to double back again. Tell them bring the double now, they got the double. When I say we can, say let's go, dog.
Nah, look, G, from all that time you was talking, turn that bitch up. Talking about showtime, nigga. Showtime.
Where you at, Cole?
Never won't turn it up.
What's that, man? What's that with you?
Nah, I'm glad my
You know how we do, Jay. You know how we do, babe. You know how we do. You know how we do, babe.
We back.
You know how we do.
Back, baby.
Can we get B to the stage right quick? Lil B, can we get you to the stage?
I don't want him to ride around Baker with his music on no more. Who that? He lose, I don't want him to ride around Baker no more with his music on. I'm going with the green.
Say what, Clyde?
If he lose, he can't ride around Baker no more. Hell no.
What up, man? Hey.
What's that with it, son?
Trash
What's that?
All right, let's crank it.
Bob, who you rolling with, Bob?
I ain't gonna care. That green bitch about to take it over. He can't say nothing now. Slide my shit, Fuck that shit, man. Man, we finna fuck Steve up. Straight the back. That bitch ain't gonna air.
And I got whatever.
Pookie, 360, you know what? That bitch can't. Come on, hard. Hey, tell him, straight the backyard, man. Straight the backyard. No air, audio, no Pookie, no none of that. Talk your shit, man. Huh?
I got 20 on him.
Who you got 20 on?
Right here.
Come on.
I got it.
Come on, look.
Give it to him.
Huh?
You hold it. What it say? Go.
Cadillac, you on hard head?
Hard hitter.
You got Steve.
That no hard head, hard hitter.
Come on, Steve. All right. Now look, hey, look. Whatever the fuck the judge say, I'm giving the fucking money to him.
Bingo.
All right. Hey, look.
Man, look, this a C-Town thing. Finna whoop some ass. I fuck with Steve. But Steve ain't got enough.
What you say?
Huh? Some country shit like
Yeah.
yeah. Man, right there.
Straight out of backyard in Cleveland, Louisiana, man. No, man. Hey, look. Whatever the judge say. Look.
Watch what I tell you, though. Watch.
Okay.
Watch what I tell you.
He gonna get it to him raw. Let's see what
Get
it is.
to him fucking raw.
No, man. Hard head, boy. They riding for your ass out here. Say, BB, show me that neck, man. Show me that neck. Look, show me that neck. How you coming, son?
Go ahead and run 2 songs.
Come on, Steve. Come on, Steve.
Go ahead and drop.
Come on, Steve. Come on, Steve. Come on, Steve. Metro, what you got, babe? What you say?
The bank go broke. Everybody get a check in Mississippi.
No, man.
The bank go broke.
Yeah.
Real check. You give a fucking real check down here. We waiting on.
What we got, Steve? What we got? Hard head, go.
Come on, hard head.
Teach you how to say, let's hold up. Once we lay around there and roll up, put this bitch in track. Spot your target, open spot. Hit right between the eyes. Put arms and never squeeze your eyes.
That motherfucker coming.
Who you like it so far?
Loud.
You hear? Hey,
a bit loud. But they going out the nose of the trunk, bro. That motherfucker loud.
Hey, what did he say? Who won? What did he say? Who won? No. Hell no. Hell no. We gonna pull this bitch out.
Who the crowd think he is?
Look in there. Look in there.
What that bitch say? That's another laughing over here, man. Over here, man. What is resting at? I've been resting at a laughing. What's getting out?
I feel hair blowing all over my hand. Hair blowing all over my hand. Feel like an ambulance over here. Hey, the bitch don't get tired. You got it.
They got it. You know I ain't done. I'm with this fucking side.
You hear what he say? What
Who won?
They already said that. What happened?
Hey, what done to you? What done to you? Hey, I've been waiting all day for this bitch right here. For this bitch right here. I've been waiting all day for this bitch right here. Come on, your shit right here. Come on, no, he said something.
$1? Bet $1?
Hey, let me take all the business. It's all already.
It's over with.
Already?
It's over with.
When you gonna come back outside?
Next month I'll be back. Yeah, next month.
I know that, but y'all know. We go somewhere tonight. I'll put another amp in that bitch tonight. In my car tonight. I'll put another amp in that bitch tonight and come back outside. Who wanna bet money?
Oh, I got you. We can bet now.
I fucked the amp up, but
because the fucking foundation hypnotized my ass is deep. I'm
rolling with Gizzle. I'm rolling with Gizzle.
we out here.
Everybody's calling for me. I can hear
Nigga, no
What you got going out here, bro?
Hey, bro, Mel, I want all the 10 smoke, man. I'm gonna build this bitch the way you did, but 10 times better.
Yeah.
I'm gonna build a better stunt wall and everything, bro.
Yeah, come on, bro. Living like that. You see that, bitch?
It's a work in progress, though.
Look,
it's a work in progress.
Man, look.
But,
And
hey.
see, look, not everybody really pop out with tint gens no more. You know what I'm saying? So these right here valuable. They valuable as hell. Work in progress. I know what the fucking deal is, man. Like a dog. Man.
He said he wanted, man.
Smoke, bro, just wait. In the next 2 months, it's gonna be laid the fuck back, bro.
My nigga. Man, you heard that man, bro. Laid the fuck back like a fucking dog. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Yeah. We out here at Cabela's right now.
Sir.
At a truck meet. Y'all ain't subscribe. Before we get kicked out, just show me one more time, brother. One more time. One more time. I got you. Oh! Yeah, yeah. Make that ass jump. Yeah. Hey, so look, when I do the Woodville shutdown,
I'm gonna be there.
I need you there now.
I'll be there. Hopefully
And
on the bigger lift.
You gotta pull in Stunt. You gotta pull in Stunt, son. So I'm gonna go in this bitch off for real now.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? So I want all y'all along for me. We at Cabela's. Huh? All right, bro. We about to get ready to go. The cops came, but we off this bitch, gang. Bye.